very good morning, children. And today we are going to begin a very interesting and important chapter, Why Do We Fall Ill? Now, when we are talking about illness, right, it is not just the illness when somebody is sick. We also say, don't talk ill about anybody or don't talk ill in general, right? So similarly, when we talk about health, why do we fall ill? Where does it begin from? From the word health. So before we begin this chapter, we really need to know what do you mean by the word health. So just now, some time back I asked you the question and you gave me many information. But when I talk about health, before that, let us see all the living things are basically machine, and here we are talking about humans, and the basic structural unit of our composition is cell. And you have already studied so far that inside the cell also there are many biochemical pathways taking place, है ना? आपने पढ़ा है ये सब. आपने ये भी पढ़ा है कि from time to time you need energy, so you take food, you take water, the digestion takes place, respiration takes place, oxidation of food takes place, energy is released. Protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, minerals, they are synthesized. So this whole machine is running 24/7. Now any aberration, anything which is not normal in this cycle, in this machine, results in something when we say that the person has fallen sick, the machine is not functioning properly, right? So basic definition when it comes to health is only that somebody has fever, cough and cold, vomiting, nausea, whatever, right? Fever, of course, fever. So, and these days we are going through the pandemic which has created havoc in the whole world. There are lakhs of people who have lost their life. Pandemic, this corona, COVID-19 is affecting different people differently. In kids it is asymptomatic. In older people or people suffering from chronic diseases. Now word has come, chronic and disease. We will be discussing these words later on. But yes, there are health issues around the world. In general, there are health issues, and these days during this pandemic time, the health issues are severe. They have hit the roof, right? So when it comes to health, why do the teacher says or your parent says that please talk healthy, or the environment, don't go to that society, the environment or the environment of that place is not healthy, So now we are talking in terms of society also, don't cross through the Katra markets, the roads are not healthy, the atmosphere is not healthy, the environment is not healthy. In the metros, the environment is not healthy, it's polluted. So here we are talking terms, health in the terms of your disease, whether the body has disease or not. Disease. Then we are talking about social health, and we are also talking about environmental health. Right? These all together, they make the word health. So the health of a person depends upon the health of the person depends upon the three things. उसकी disease free body है, बट अगर थॉट्स हेल्दी नहीं हैं तो आपका सोसाइटी में यू आर नॉट फ्रेंडली विथ अदर्स, नोबडी लाइक्स यू, आपकी सोशल हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं है। और अगर आप जिस कम्युनिटी जिस सोसाइटी में रह रहे हैं, पीपल आर थ्रोइंग गार्बेज, दे आर क्लीनिंग देयर हाउस बट दे आर थ्रोइंग गार्बेज आउटसाइड, द एनवायरमेंट ऑफ योर सोसाइटी इज नॉट healthy. So whenever children we talk about health, we talk about health in these three terms. This is clear to you? So these are the three things. Now let us take this first, right? Disease. What is the word disease mean? When I say disease, what does the word disease mean? डिजीज का क्या मतलब हम निकाल सकते हैं? We can say that at discomfort ease. है ना? Disease is discomfort ease. You are not comfortable, right? You did not have a good night's sleep and you are stressed out. Ma'am is teaching but you have a headache. You are at discomfort level. You're not absolutely healthy. है ना? You had something heavy to eat last night. Your stomach has gone for a toss and you're not feeling healthy क्योंकि you are suffering from acidity inside. You are at discomfort is you are not healthy, right? Similarly, so these are the small things which tells us that something is wrong with our body, है ना? Morning you get up, you are still fatigued, you're not feeling good inside, you're mentally you have some stress, पता नहीं एग्जाम कैसा हुआ था, मार्क्स कैसे आएंगे, है ना? और इस साल दशहरा कैसे मनाएंगे, दिवाली कैसे मनाएंगे, you know, things like that. So you are not even mentally at peace. You are not healthy then. Health is absolutely when you are mentally, socially, physically fit. So health is basically your body, mind and soul. आजकल मेडिटेशन बहुत लोग करते हैं, क्यों? ताकि उनका माइंड जो है वो de-stress हो. People have taken lot of stress. Why they've taken lot of stress? Because they need good food, they need to travel, they need what others are having, they need what their colleagues are having. So they are in a stress, how to earn more money, how I can have those luxuries. You know, these are small things which are making people stressed. Right? So people do meditation that, and there you need to learn that if you have food, if you have clothes to wear, if you have food to eat and if you have a roof on your head, you are very lucky. But they are not satisfied with that. They reach one level and then they raise the bar, they want to reach there, they again raise the bar, they want to reach there. So their mental health has gone for a toss. They are, so now they are heading towards meditation, so body, mind and soul. That is what yoga tells us, right? So this is disease. Acha, whenever there is a disease in the body, how do you know that there is a disease in the body? How do you know that your body is diseased? We know it through the symptoms. What are these symptoms? Symptoms tell us that yes, something is wrong with your body. What wrong? A symptom cannot tell, that a doctor tells. है ना? So what could be the symptoms? The symptoms could be fever, the symptoms could be headache, the symptoms could be, right? The symptoms could be vomiting, loose motion, है ना? So these are, I'm just naming a a few symptoms. Even when you have got hurt, आपको चोट लग गई है और वो dry नहीं हो रही है, it still is developing pus, means the body is not able to recover fast. The recovery rate is very slow, and that is why again and again the pus is formed inside the wound. So these are what? These are few symptoms. अब fever, there could be so many reasons to have fever, है ना? There could be reason cough and cold. There could be viral fever. There could be fever because you have got hurt yourself into some area of your body, and because of that body is developing. Why do we get fever? Because body is developing, the WBCs are more created, body is trying to fight with the infection, and the general heat of the body is increased. So there could be lot many reasons. Meningitis हो सकता है, bronchitis हो सकता है, tuberculosis हो सकता है. There could be so many reasons the fever could be there, right? So for headache also, there could be brain fever, there could be your body is developing disease, there could be stress. There are so many reasons to get headache. So you just cannot say that, let us take loose motion. You had something wrong roadside to eat, stomach infection, right? That infection could be bacterial, that infection could be viral, that infection could be some other pathogen, So that infection could be that some medicine is not suiting you. People have allergy to certain kind of medicines, so they start developing loosies. So the point is that with one symptom, two symptom, we cannot decide that you are suffering from which disease. For that, the physicians, the doctors are there who ask you lot many questions, and then the group of symptoms decide that yes, the person is suffering from this disease and he should be given this medicine, right? So that is doctor's job. अभी हम लोग सिर्फ इसकी बात कर रहे हैं, symptoms. I give it another word, and the word is biosignals. You should never ignore the biosignals. These symptoms are basically the signals that your body is sending outside for you to understand that you need to do something about it. These are the biosignals. If you ignore it in a very long term, they may manifest into a very big disease, right? So biosignals should never be ignored, right? Now when we talk about disease, we say that disease is of two types. We broadly categorize them into two types. One is acute and the other one is chronic, right? Children, this is very important. The question may come that define acute disease, give some example. Define chronic diseases, give some example. Or differentiate between acute and chronic and differentiate them and also give example. So broadly we are dividing them into two categories. Acute is of short span. Acute diseases are for shorter span, whereas chronic disease could go up to the lifetime. They can be up to lifetime. So let us go for acute diseases. You had a viral fever, it lasted for 3 to 5 days, 7 days, and the cycle got over and you are healthy, back to the normal health, right? Similarly, you had cough and cold, it takes 5 to 7 days to recover. You had food poisoning and you take medicine, you took medicine, you recovered within 2-3 2-3 days, right? You had headache, you took some medicine, and within 2-3 days it is gone. Within a day it was gone. You had some gastro problem, हल्की सी हो गई थी. Mama gave you some home remedies or you had some medicines. Within 2-3 days it got over. Short span disease, acute disease. On the other hand, people initially ignored the biosignals, what happened, or they have a very stressful life, or they are obese, they don't exercise, physical activity बिल्कुल नहीं है, or it could be hereditary. So I am talking about the disease diabetes, right? I am talking about here diabetes. There are so many reasons for this disease. Asthma also is a lifelong disease. There are many other lifelong diseases, like people have high BP, people have heart problem, so cholesterol problem. So these are lifelong diseases, right? And people suffer from them. And slowly what happens? Like, why did I take diabetes? Because it has become a lifestyle disease now. It's not necessary that it is inherited from the previous generation. It has become a lifestyle disease, and the main reason for this disease is stress. है ना, stress of lot many things. मेरे को आंसर सही नहीं आया, मेरा आंसर सही है कि नहीं, मैम इसमें फुल मार्क्स देगी कि नहीं, है ना. Boys can have stress like आज फुटबॉल खेलने जा पाऊँगा कि नहीं, आज पबजी तो अब बैन हो गया, दूसरा जो भी है उसमें I have to reach to that level. Imagine what kind of stress people have these days, है ना. So fine. So they don't realize that life is so beautiful. You go out, you play, you think healthy. Very important to think healthy instead of think mean, think dirty. है ना. Instead of that, you should think healthy. Thanks to universe, thanks to God that they have given you such a beautiful life, a healthy life. You have food on your plate, you have clothes in your wardrobe, you have a roof on your head, right? So isn't it healthy? No need to get stressed. But instead हमारा ये level नहीं cross कर पाए. मेरा friend तो उस level पे पहुँच गया है फलाने game में, है ना. Girls are worried about बहुत अच्छी dress चाहिए, things like that, right? So chronic disease is then the stress ने आपको biosignals देने शुरू करे. धीरे धीरे आपने उन biosignals को ignore करा. You thought it is just a headache, you thought this is just a gastro problem. But what happens? Slowly, your internal organs health is gone, and then the disease manifests, which remains for the lifetime, and this is a chronic disease, right? Or once these disease manifest, they not only like tuberculosis, TB, cough and cold हुआ, एक हफ्ते 10 दिन में ठीक हो गया. But when this person is suffering from tuberculosis, the whole of the respiratory system as well as the general health of the body is yes, yeah. What happened? Somebody is asking.
Ma'am, asthma is the pain.
What?
Ma'am, speaking of it.
Asthma, what are you saying, beta?
Ma'am, asking that if asthma is pain.
I'm not able to understand. I think some network issue is there. We'll discuss it afterwards. Let me wind it up, right? Let me finish, then we'll have the discussion as it is. So, let's take tuberculosis, right? Now, tuberculosis has affected the person is feeling tired all the time, and they are not feeling very healthy all the time, right? So, fatigued all the time, coughing, internal, मीन आपने भी देखा होगा अगर आपकी खांसी प्रोलॉन्ग कर जाती है तो यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग पेन इन योर चेस्ट एंड एब्डोमेन बिकॉज द बॉडी इज टायर्ड ऑफ कंटिन्यूस कॉफ, है ना. आई एम टॉकिंग इन वेरी जनरल टर्म्स. सो these are the chronic diseases. Again I will go back to diabetes because what is diabetes? That the sugar level in your blood is not balanced. आपको पता आपका जो blood है, हमारा सबका जो blood है, this is the lifeline actually, and everything in this blood has to be balanced. अगर आप नमक मत खाइए सुबह से शाम तक, देखिए आपकी क्या हालत होती है. आपका सोडियम पोटेशियम लेवल जो है ब्लड का वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है. यू डोंट ड्रिंक वाटर सिंस मॉर्निंग, यू सी बाय इवनिंग आपकी क्या कंडीशन होगी, आपके ब्लड का केमिकल लेवल डिसबैलेंस हो जाएगा. ठीक है. तो इसी तरह से अगर ब्लड में शुगर लेवल है, हमने कभी सोचा भी था अब तक कि ब्लड का शुगर लेवल नीड्स टू बी एट अ सर्टेन लेवल. If you have somebody in your house, you see their sugar report, blood test report. फास्टिंग होती है, उसके बाद 2 घंटे बाद कुछ खाने के बाद होती है. तो there is a range that the sugar level should be between that range or below that range. Only then the conditions are normal. Now, when the sugar level goes high, of course the medicine, the insulin is given. Extreme cases insulin injections are given to bring it down to normal level. People, those who get sugar, they start walking a lot, exercising a lot, so that they can burn the energy, bring down the sugar level. On the other hand, if there is over secretion of insulin in the body, then what happens? The sugar level goes low from the level, right? लो लेवल हो गई शुगर, चक्कर आ रहा है, गिर गए, ड्राइविंग कर रहे हैं, क्या पता एक्सीडेंट हो गया, यू नो दीज थिंग्स हैपन. सो पीपल आर गिवन समथिंग स्वीट टू ईट क्विकली, पार्ले जी दे दिया, टॉफ़ी दे दी, जिससे इमीडिएट ग्लूकोज जो है वो शुगर लेवल को बढ़ा दे. ठीक है. अच्छा, ये तो चलो हमने बढ़ाया घटाया, दिस इज अनदर थिंग. व्हाट हैपेंस इन लॉन्ग रन, दिस हायर शुगर लेवल, it starts damaging the internal organs. If person has very fluctuating sugar level, the person is careless, he or she is not taking care about this fact. You know, there are some people who are very carefree. They are like, अरे कुछ नहीं होता, खाने दो, खाने के लिए तो जीते हैं. Things like that. People give all those silly excuses. But if they are not maintaining it, if they are not working about it, what happens? In long run, they start their internal organs health, it starts going down. कहीं किडनी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, कहीं लिवर प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, कहीं हार्ट प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, because everything excuse me, inside our body work in a tandem. They work in a very coordinate way, and any aberration, anything from the normal, if it shifts, then definitely body gives you the biosignals, and we have to take care about those biosignals, right? So this was all about the chronic diseases, lifelong होती हैं. भाई हीमोफीलिया है, नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस है, ये सब तो हेरिडिटरी है. और या फिर person is not eating good food and then they develop such chronic diseases, है ना. AIDS is a chronic disease only. Fatal है, cancer, chronic disease, once person gets it, it's fatal. Very few chances, if it is known in the early stages, then only it can be recovered, otherwise not, right? So this is all about acute and chronic diseases. Now next turn I'll begin with the whatever is the next topic. I think what are the causes of the diseases. So please read this in your book, watch the video again, and if there is any doubt, you can always ask me directly or in the comment section, right? Thank you very much. This is all for today.
Thank you, Mama.